Hello friends. Welcome to ZMRC Minor Repair Training Academy. The ASIC Minor Repair Training courses launched by Zeus Mining are mainly to help all friends who have zero foundation but want to learn minor repair. If you are a friend who understands minor maintenance, when you encounter repair problems, you can also find WhatsApp or email on our official website to get free technical support. Today, I will mainly demonstrate the operation process for novices after entering the website. Before learning, we need to register an account. Go to the registration page and start registering an account. Well, the registration has been successful. Here is the personal center for each student. First of all, before starting the course, we need to prepare some common minor repair tools and accessories by ourselves. ZMRC has prepared a table of tools and accessories here for reference only. Next, we need to fill in personal information here. Upload profile picture. The name must be real. Especially the phone number and address must also be real. When become ZMRC official trainee, we will be sent a free soldering practice board kit and a certificate of completion after passing the assessment. Okay, the information is complete. In the second step, we need to enter the payment page to place an order and become an official student of ZMRC. ZMRC provides a variety of help for friends. If you have any questions, you can also consult customer service first. First of all, ZMRC provides two kinds of courses. We need to choose the courses we are interested in here, such as ANT Minor 19 series. ZMRC provides a variety of payment methods to choose from, including cryptocurrency payment, bank transfer, and PayPal payment. After the payment is successful, we need to upload the payment voucher and wait for ZMRC to confirm the payment information. When the succeeded appears, it means that ZMRC has confirmed our payment certificate. We are official students of ZMRC now. We can learn all ASIC minor repair courses. If we have any maintenance problems, we can consult ZMRC technical instructors. What's more, we can also download ASIC minor repair software or related files such as ANT Minor, Avalon, InnoSilicon, What's Minor, Ebang, and so on. Then, we need to go to the My Course page for the next step. This page shows the course order information. We can choose a tutor for each course, learn the course, conduct an assessment, and finally apply for a certificate of completion. Okay, click the first button. We can choose a tutor. If we have any questions during the online course learning process, we can consult the course tutor. We can look at the tutor's information and then choose one. Now we can start learning. If there is something we don't understand during the learning process, we can click here to communicate with our chosen tutor. After the problem is solved, continue to study. When we have completed all relevant courses, click here to start the assessment. Attention! During the assessment process, if we have not completed all the test questions, we cannot click the Submit button. But we can save the current answer. Once all the test questions are completed, we can submit the test paper. Well, this status means that ZMRC is checking our test papers. After we refresh the page, if it is in this state, it means that we have not passed the assessment, and we need to correct the wrong questions. Then submit the test paper again. Okay, If the passed status appears, congratulations, we have passed the assessment. Now we can apply for the certificate of completion. Great, this is our certificate of completion. Finally, on the User Center page we have more options. Now we have more options and can apply to be displayed on the technician page. After clicking Apply, wait for ZMRC to review. Okay, let's go to the technician page to check. If mining farm owners or repair center owners are more interested, they will submit relevant information here, and then ZMRC will notify us, so that we will increase job hunting opportunities. In addition, ZMRC encourages us to apply for a course tutor to help more friends. Just fill out this form. This is the whole learning process, and we can complete the ASIC miner repair course learning according to the steps of the personal center. Thanks all.